Hello, students! I hope you're enjoying our lesson about shapes. So let's start today's class with a little video. I want you to sing along and dance with me.
A circle, can you make a circle? A circle, can you make a circle? A circle, can you find a circle? A circle, can you find a circle? Can you find a circle? Ready? Go! I know. Let's make a diamond. Can you make a diamond? Here we go. A diamond, can you make a diamond? A diamond, can you make a diamond? A diamond, can you find a diamond? A diamond, can you find a diamond? Can you find a diamond? Ready? Go! What's next? How about a square? A square, can you make a square? A square, can you make a square? A square, can you find a square? A square, can you find a square? Can you find a square? Ready? Go! All right, time for one more. Let's try a heart. A heart, can you make a heart? A heart, can you make a heart? A heart, can you find a heart? A heart, can you find a heart? Can you find a heart? Ready? Go! A circle, a diamond, a square and a heart. A circle, a diamond, a square and a heart. A circle, a diamond, a square and a heart. A circle, a diamond, a square and a heart.
A circle, can you find a circle? A circle, can you find a circle? Oh, a circle. Good job, guys. So let's take some time and we're going to actually watch one more video and then we're going to read a story together about a guy named Mr. Shapehead. Mr. Shapehead. Let's see what Mr. Shapehead has in store.
Shapehead, how are you? Mr. Shapehead, how are you? Mr. Shapehead, how are you? How are you this morning?
My eyes are square, but I'm okay. My ears are circles, but I'm okay. My nose is a triangle, but I'm okay. For I am Mr. Shapehead.
Mr. Shapehead, how are you? Mr. Shapehead, how are you? Mr. Shapehead, how are you? How are you this morning?
My head is square, but I'm okay. My mouth is a rectangle, but I'm okay. My hair is a triangle, but I'm okay. For I am Mr. Shapehead.
Mr. Shapehead, how are you? Mr. Shapehead, how are you? Mr. Shapehead, how are you? How are you this morning? How are you this morning?
Okay, so I'm still here, and let's read together a story about Mr. Shapehead.
ESL Kid Stuff. Classroom Readers. Level Starter. Mr. Shapehead.
Hello, Mr. Shapehead. How are you?
I'm okay.
That night. Good night, Mr. Shapehead. Next morning. Oh no, your head has fallen off. Let's put your head back on. Where is your square head?
There's his square head.
Good. Now, where is your triangle hair? Good. Where are your circle ears? Good. Where is your rectangle mouth? Good. Where is your triangle nose? Good. Where are your square eyes? Great! All done! Now you are ready to go for a walk. Goodbye, Mr. Shapehead.
The end.
Cool, so Mr. Shapehead. Let's ask some questions about Mr. Shapehead. So, let's look at a picture of him. Cool. So here's Mr. Shapehead's squares. So we see he has a square head, triangle hair, circle ears, a rectangle mouth, a triangle nose. So let's draw Mr. Shapehead. So Mr. Shapehead has a yellow square head. Yeah. Cool. And what shape hair does Mr. Shapehead have? Triangle hair. Let's draw his triangle hair. Yeah. And he has circle ears. Cool. Let's draw his... How many circle ears does he have? 2. Good. 1, 2. Yeah. And he has a rectangle mouth. Let's draw him a rectangle mouth. Yeah. What about Mr. Shapehead's eyes? Square eyes. Square eyes. 1, 2, and a little circle for his eyes. Aww. What else? I think we're missing something. We're missing his nose. Mr. Shapehead has a triangle nose. We made him! Oh, wow, there's Mr. Shapehead. Hi, Mr. Shapehead. Good job, guys. How many squares are on Mr. Shapehead's head? Well, we know we have 1. Can you count for me? We have 1, 2, 3. 3. There are 3 squares on Mr. Shapehead's head. 3 squares. Good. What shape is Mr. Shapehead's hair? What shape is Mr. Shapehead's hair? A triangle? Good! A triangle. Triangle. Let's go back and look one more time. What else is a triangle? Yeah, red triangle. Red triangle. Good. For Mr. Shapehead's nose. Yeah. Aww. Mr. Shapehead. Good job today, guys. Can we tell Mr. Shapehead goodbye, Mr. Shapehead? Goodbye, Mr. Shapehead. See you next time. Bye.